Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin on a weekly time frame today. Keep in mind that we have about 11 hours for this weekly candle to close, and it looks like this. We more than likely will be probably closing under 17.6. That means we will be looking for some downside starting into the next week. If we do get above 17.6 next week, that'll be our first sign that, hey, we might go to 19.3 to test that level, or we will go all the way to 22,000 to test even higher if we claim 19.3 to 19.9. Okay. So that's basically all I wanted to say for the weekly. It is not looking that great the way it's closing. I'm not looking for excitement next week. Let's take a quick look. Ooh, that would be mean because it would come back here. I'm gonna leave that there for now. Okay, take all that away. What was I last speaking about? The weekly close. Let's go to the daily. As you can see on the daily, we just had a big buy up, and now we're testing that low out right now. If we lose this low, well, yesterday what I told you was if we lose 16,450, 16.5, we should look for some downside continuation. Same thing today. Any hourly open and close under, let's say, 16,400, we will probably should be looking for a quick move to the 15.6, and it could go under than that. Okay, so just be careful and warned that downside possibilities are there. Oh, it went all the way to 15.6. Interesting. Okay, so we're trying to use this as support right now. See, that's why it's going sideways. Selling has subsided. So it's very possible for one market buy to come up and test upside and break all these shorts out by like going, to the 55 at least, at like 18.3. And then if it wants to roll over, it can roll over. Really, really causing pain for the shorts first, taking their money, getting people long, thinking bottom is in, and then breaking it down to take money from them as well. So don't get too bearish yet. The time to get bearish is once you actually open and close under 15.6. Okay, a wick here and then back up fast can happen, and that'll really, really mess with you. So don't get too bearish and don't be shorting like right under here, like with the stop loss above. It can be a fast pop, and you're gonna get wicked out for no reason. So just be patient, wait for the open and close, a retest, and then short the retest of it. All right. I will now go to weekly on Ethereum because I'm actually in a trade on Ethereum. I just closed my short this morning at around 300% profit. That's right, 300% profit. It was the same trade I held the whole weekend from Friday till today. The reason I closed it is because when I was looking at the local consolidation, we tapped the golden pocket and then we started going up. So I was like, you know what, let me just get out of it. I can re-short like 1350 or something if we get back to it. But for the weekly here, you can see the death cross is just about to be confirmed as soon as this weekly closes. Next weekly will open. Even if we get to, I was saying around 1380, it's gonna be a rejection area for us to roll over at. So I'm not getting too excited until we start closing above 1380, and then ideally above 1600, which is like our new major resistance and the third lower high before the drop even started. So keep that in mind over here at 1600. All right. Going to the daily. Oh, actually, quick thing on the weekly. Just quick tidbit that like you should be aware of. We never tapped all the way into the liquidity zone. Bitcoin destroyed this, but Ethereum did not. This is very possible that we can go test into this little wick at 876. So don't assume that that can't happen, okay? But so far, Ethereum is a stronger asset, obviously. Um, as I was saying, I closed my short and I scooped up along like right around here, like 1238 or something like that. So I'm waiting to take profit on that long around 1350, 1360 if we get that high, and then I will re-short to see if we reject from there. But I'm gonna hold this long for now, and I'm looking for my short a little bit higher. Even if I take a loss on the long, I made enough on the short to be okay. The reason why I want to switch into the long is because the volume to the sell is slowing down. more than likely we're going to pop back up, test into the resistance, and then roll back over, is what I'm assuming. So that's why I did what I did. Here's the 4 hour chart, going sideways. I'm waiting for a liquidity grab from one way or the other, but we poked down again. I was not looking for another poke, so I'm looking for the pop up to test a little bit higher, such as 1350, 1360. Said it like 5 times. So I'm looking for this retest to come in over here after this triangle consolidation, which you can't even see. Let me go to an hourly. And I won't be showing you this in the future, so just enjoy this for now. This is all members material. I won't be zooming in, but the reason why I'm doing this is to justify my trade. I was short in this triangle. Once we broke down, I closed my short after, well, I woke up late, so I closed it after it came back. But a smart dude would have had their take profit in this range and a stop loss on the short over here at 1230. I woke up and I closed at like 12:35, 12:37. Who gives a shit? A couple dollar ain't gonna cry for it. But then I scooped my long right away, right? So now if my long actually goes up and above to like higher, I'll make 300% already on my short and I'll make a nice little chunk on my long as well. So I'm long from 1239, 1240 over here, and I'll add to it too if we keep, if I have an opportunity to add to it when we're breaking out, I'll add to it because all I'm looking for is a move above 1250 and higher, and then I can say that this long will be a decent long for a little bit higher in a situation like that. But we will wait and see. Don't do what I'm doing if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, so here's the chart basically back naked. That's what we were looking at on Ethereum, and this is what we were looking at on Bitcoin. Um, Like I said, I won't be showing you guys this in the future. If you want to trade like this, better join members. I'm going to be very, very careful about stuff that I share in the future so that my trading advantage isn't taken away uh, from, the the people. As more people trade like me, my advantage will go. So I was looking for the long here, looking for the short here. Whoever got the long on the golden pocket, congratulations. I hope you're taking profit. When we get over here, I'll short. I'm going to remove these circles now because this late area is tapped. I can leave this, but I don't need it because everyone in members knows what we're doing. So we're all on the same page. If you're watching this video and I put it out quick enough, I would be looking for a long scalp between 16.5 and 16, yeah, basically around 16,500. I'd be looking for a long to take it up, a stop loss under 16.4, and then hopefully this long becomes a nice profitable long. Yeah, that's basically it that we have to worry about for Bitcoin and Ethereum, guys. If you want me to do another coin or another asset, please feel free to leave it in the descriptions below and I'll get back to you ASAP on the next video. Quick look at Dixie. This is what we're going to wait to see tonight, how this wants to progress. If we hit that Dixie alert at 106, like I said yesterday, you should be expecting all equities to pump. If we don't hit this 106 and we start climbing up on the new candle, you should expect everything to continue dumping. Okay, this dump that we had on all our equities was while Dixie dumped, right? So we dumped with Dixie. Now, when Dixie reverses to the top side, is Bitcoin gonna go inverse or is it gonna correlate with Dixie? It should not be going up with Dixie. It should be rolling down as Dixie reclaims, right? So what we did was just basically erase whatever premium and all that good stuff was between the two assets and their correlation, and basically it's like a reset. So yeah. I'm very curious to see how this opens up tonight at 6 p.m. Central, and I'll be trying to trade very carefully. And if I can go live, I'll go live so we can trade together. Okay, guys? Aside from that, please like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications if you haven't already. If you have another asset you would like for me to cover, please leave it in the section below. Um, Last but not least, if you're interested in trading with us live, you could join us on some live sessions as well, such as yesterday. Please feel free to join us. It's in our Discord server. The link to the Discord server is in the description of this video below. And yeah, aside from that, as I was telling you, membership. We have membership services in our Discord group where we trade together, we analyze assets together, and basically give each other signals in a sense. So if you're interested in those services, please feel free to join our Discord server. The link to that server is in the description of this video below. It's a $20 monthly fee for basically becoming a better trader. I will be holding your hand and making sure you're not making any moves that I wouldn't make. So at least you have someone there to be the voice of reason if you're getting too excited, emotional, or underwater and not knowing how to hedge properly or etc. Just give me a call, ask me what's up, let me see what I can do to dig you out. Aside from that, guys, I hope you guys are trading safely. Be careful. It's the weekend. This long is already pumping, so I'm gonna get this video out so you guys can see what's going on. All right. Have a great day. Trade safe. I'll see you guys in the Discord. Bye bye.